Yeah, so what's up guys? Mko aje? Hope all has been well. Mmenirot sana na stories za Ingwe. Finally, our unbeaten imekuja to an end. Which it's something that happens to every team yenye inacheza, and this is a competition definitely. Ni ligi. So over the weekend tulikuwa na matches Ingwe tulipigwa away, lakini Grao haikuwa favorable kwetu, si ndio? Na mliona result, so I'm sure we are not going to fight about that, yeah. Anyway, Kenya Police also walicheza na Gor Mahia, and Gor Mahia wakawashinda 2-0 in a match that it was very entertaining and definitely expectation venye ilikuwa, we all expected that Kenya Police will give Gor Mahia a tough competition, but kama kawa wanasema Gor ni Gor Mahia, so the champions definitely they showed what they can. Yeah, there was another game between Mathare United and Mathare United and APS Bomet. Kulikuwa na Posta Rangers played a game against Sofapaka. Really an interesting match yenye definitely Sofapaka showed who they are when it comes to playing into Dandora bana, and they also won 2-0 against Pamzo side, and the goals were really amazing. If you are there, uliwatch ukaona. Yeah, so the competition is high, as you can see, into the Kenyan Premier League. Mara Sugar is showing what they can, what they do best, and former boss alikuwa ni Ambani, and definitely they had to show that, hey boss, there's something that you left us here with. And I also attended a match, especially ladies match, that I want us to look keenly. But before that, let's talk of Harambee Stars squad and into the final squad that Coach Benny McCarthy ali mention games. Kuna friendlies of ahead of us, and we'll be playing Equatorial Guinea and Senegal. And to goalkeepers, congratulations to Brian Opondo of Tusker, Brian Buire, and Brian Omondi of Gor Mahia. Yeah, so goalkeeping sector naona tuko sawa. We have experienced players. Brian has been outstanding in the last matches ever since Chan started, and I guess we are not having any doubt either when Brian is playing Buire or Brian Opondo, any can start, and we are confident that they'll give a match. I'm very proud of this guy. The guy Brighton Onyona. Onyona, and I know if you see this one, you'll definitely attest. I once played against this guy Kamako youth team, and unfortunately, he was playing in my wing. And kama kawa, you need to show them that you are experienced enough so that they don't come and waanze kukimbia tu nawe hivi hivi. And the guy finally has been called to the national team. Kama mi napiga picha, so definitely you are in the same direction, bro. But shout out, I'm so proud of you, guy. Keep going. So Brighton has made it to the final squad of Harambee Stars that will be playing the two friendlies. Sylvester Owino of Gor Mahia, Alfonso Mija, Michael Kibwage, Rooney Onyango, Kevin Otiende, and Baron Ochieng. Baron Ochieng is playing in the Zamalek League. Kevin Otiende, Nairobi United. Rooney Onyango, Sogndal. Nyewe jina hatukuenda shule, so don't blame me for that. Alafu Kibwage from Gor Mahia, Omija from Etoile du Sahel, then Sylvester Owino and Brighton Onyona. So we have three players from Gor Mahia, that is in defense area. Then in the midfield we have I love watching this guy, Alpha Onyango. I really learn a lot from this guy, and whenever he plays, I normally see there's something about him that is very special. So we have Onyango from Gor Mahia, Duke Abuya from Yanga, Timothy Ouma from Lech Poznan. Then Nabwiri definitely from Kenya Police. Our midfield imekuwa na masters hapo, so najua what it is. Then we'll be having attackers, tuko na Austin Odhiambo of Gor Mahia. We have William Lekumpai of VPS. Then we have Job Ochieng from Real Sociedad. Then Mushiri from Ulinzi. Sharif Musa from Gor Mahia. Hey, congratulations to Sharif. He's been outstanding in the league. Like the guy is really pushing himself all the way. Then finally, Kibet is here. Yeah, and congratulations, Kibet. Yeah, a very talented guy. Then we have Ovela. Ovela, congratulations. I know the other day you were fighting against us, the media personalities and photographers, but congratulations and all the best. Then we have Ayunga Jonah from Miren. Then Ovela from Nairobi United. Then we have Ogam, the top striker. Ogam is there, and we have Lawrence Okoth. The day, guys, I don't know what. I do have a story to tell with any player that I'm mentioning here, because I've played with a couple of them in our lower tiers, and someone like Austin, tukiwa youth team, man, hey, a story that I'll come to tell you one day. And Lawrence Okoth from SJK, Seina Joki.